Hello students, today we are going to look at the difference between there, and there. So these are homophones, which is a word that sounds the same, which are words that sound the same but have a different meaning and spelling. So there are three in particular that commonly confuse people, which would be there, and there. They're very tricky in part because of their usefulness, which means that we call on them over and over in our writing here and there. That sentence had all three there's and there. And at the bottom you can see a picture of 100 homophone words that are very common that we commonly misuse. So their usage, T-H-E-R-E, it can remind us that this particular there is often about location, so there it is. It's about location in the more abstract sense too. There is where we disagree. It's also the one to use as the first word in sentences that have the subject after the verb. There is a nice hotel in town. And it's the one used with the verb at the beginning of sentences and questions. There are plenty available. Next would be there, T-H-E-Y''R-E. There is a contraction that means they are. You can remember that apostrophes indicate the possessive only when used of apostrophe S, such as the writer's thoughts. Otherwise, it's generally a contraction of two words, as in I can't equal cannot, or won't equal will not, or an omission of a letter or letters, as in singin' for singing, and M for them, and stick to us, and M for them, and stick it to them. There equals they are funny people. There equals they are the cutest puppies ever. It can also be used of non-living things too. There equals they are both really good books, and there equals they are two of our biggest problems. There, T-H-E-I-R. The last of this trio, there, is a possessive form of they. So it has to do with what belongs to, relates to, or is made or done by certain people, animal, or things. It's their house. We're their neighbors. The trees are losing their leaves. There also has a long history being used as a singular pronoun. In summary, there's the most common. It has the word here in it, which is helpful because it's often about location. There always means they are. There is the possessive form of they. For your assignment today, please complete this Google form. It is worth 15 points. Have a wonderful day.